No sections mentioned, no timestamps mentioned, and the first 30 seconds naturally work as your Smart Drive Hub channel intro. Then the script flows into the main content. Total length is around 4 minutes. Welcome back to Smart Drive Hub, the place where power, performance, and passion for machines come together. If you love bold motorcycles, future-ready designs, and first looks at what's coming next to the streets, you're in the right spot. On this channel, we break down new launches, leaked details, and hidden surprises you won't hear anywhere else. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, because today's bike is something cruiser fans have been waiting a long time for. The all-new Yamaha Stryker 2026 is finally here, and yes, it's making serious noise in the cruiser world. This motorcycle isn't just a refresh, it's a statement. Yamaha has taken the legendary Stryker name and brought it back with sharper attitude, modern touches, and a presence that instantly grabs attention. At first glance, the 2026 Stryker looks more aggressive than ever. The long stretched-out stance is still here, but now it feels cleaner, lower, and more muscular. The redesigned front end gives the bike a meaner personality, while the wide tank and flowing body lines scream classic power cruiser vibes with a modern edge. This is the kind of bike that turns heads even before the engine starts. Now let's talk about what everyone's curious about: performance. While Yamaha hasn't revealed every single number yet, early leaks and visuals suggest a strong V-twin setup with improved torque delivery. This bike looks built for smooth highway cruising, confident overtakes, and that deep, satisfying exhaust note cruiser riders love. Yamaha seems focused on making the ride feel powerful but controlled, perfect for both city roads and long open highways. One of the biggest surprises with the 2026 Stryker is the tech upgrade. From what we're seeing, Yamaha is finally blending modern features into this classic cruiser formula. Expect updated lighting, a cleaner digital display, and rider-friendly improvements that make daily riding more comfortable without killing the old-school soul of the bike. It feels like Yamaha is listening to riders who want style and smart functionality. Comfort also appears to be a major focus this time. The seating position looks more refined, the handlebar reach feels relaxed, and the overall ergonomics suggest long rides without fatigue. This isn't just a show bike, it's built to be ridden, and ridden hard. What really makes the 2026 Yamaha Stryker special is what it represents. Cruiser bikes have been stuck in the past for a while, but Yamaha stepping back into this segment with confidence could shake things up. This bike is clearly aimed at riders who want something different from the usual options, something bold, reliable, and uniquely Japanese in design philosophy. So, is this the comeback cruiser everyone was waiting for? From this first look, it definitely feels like Yamaha is setting the stage for something big. Pricing and full specs will decide the final verdict, but one thing is clear: the Stryker is back, and it means business. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think about the new Yamaha Stryker 2026? Would you choose this over other power cruisers on the market? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this first look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Smart Drive Hub for more upcoming launches and exclusive previews.